Jared here from Adventure Mode Unlocked Escape Rooms, and today I'm going to show you a walkthrough of the third escape room that I built for this company. I actually opened this up 6 months ago. I've been doing like some little videos on the graveyard and stuff in here, but never ended up finishing showing how to do the graveyard or what we did. So today I'm going to do the whole room walkthrough. I'm not going to show any of the puzzles, but you will get spoilers as to what all of the areas are. So if you want to play this game and you don't want spoilers, turn away now. So first of all, we start out here. The name of this game is called Operation Brain Dead, A Henchman's Tale. Let me get over here to see if I can get this building facade a little bit better. And where you play as a group of Igors forced to work for Dr. Frankenstein, and he is sending you to steal a brain from his rival, Dr. Jekyll. So you start outside of Bill's morgue and coffins here, where Jekyll, Dr. Jekyll, is holed up in a secret laboratory doing some kind of experiment. All around the room, you can see we built coffins that you can reach into. We also have a little rat cage here, a coffin here, and a door that says it leads to Creaky Pines Cemetery. And I don't know if you can quite make out, let me see here, the facade work. Oh, that doesn't look too good in the camera. There we go. Sorry, I'm doing this all in one take, so ignore the shoddy camera work. This is all I have time to do. This was a really fun build. You also have a newspaper machine down here advertising the Pitchfork and Torch Times. This is one of the favorite things that I did in here, was make this little window display. All these body parts and worms and maggots and dirt. And I tried to I put this cloth back here to represent coffin satin. I thought that was kind of a fun idea. Like I said, I'm not going to spoil any of the puzzles, just showing the areas. Now we can move into the morgue portion. Dr. Jekyll's secret lair. Where there's a brain that I didn't finish locking up. This is a halfway point in the room that's supposed to be kind of like a fake little trap. You think you're getting the brain here, but you're not. And some various other things. A little wooden foot and some sticks. Corpse up there that you may or may not have to do something with. Over here we have our anti-Igor alarm system. And this is a secret door to crawl through to get into the next room. They're all body shoots. This is a fun little joke. And on that one, I had my wife make a little sticker. It said, "Straight to the grave." Speaking of the grave, let's go over here to the graveyard. I know it is dark in here, but our work lights, to turn on the overhead work lights, we kind of inconvenienced ourselves. We put them in a difficult spot. The emergency lights work fantastic and light this sucker up like a Christmas tree, but I'm not going to cut the power just to do that. It's a little gravedigger shack we built, complete with a light over it, and then the first of many little crypts. And the fun thing with all the crypts is I put, there's a couple different puzzles involving these, and one of them all involves the Bell family. And for all of them, you can find all the Bell family crypts. I put a little nod to some of the actors that played some of the classic monsters, or were in some of the classic monster movies. And then over here we have Count Lugosi's coffin. I don't think a single person has acknowledged that joke that has played this room. Over here you can see a little bit more of the crypts we did. We also we debated hard on what to do for the flooring. We were going to do some stone work and like some patio pavers, but ultimately we thought it would be fun to actually just put down some grass carpet. I think it turned out pretty decent. My wife, I built all these crypts. My wife painted them. And then up here, this was a fun joke. We extended the crypts up and I put, coming soon, luxury high-rise crypts. I thought it was a silly joke. We can come in here to the grave digger shack. Kind of simple, but there is a couple puzzles in here. And then this was good. This is the door. And it blends in really well with the side of the shack, I think. Everybody's always surprised when that opens. So there you go. Quick little tour. I know it's kind of hard to see, and I didn't show all of the fun secret compartments that open up, but nevertheless, you get a basic idea of what this room looks like. It's been very popular here. I'm very pleased with it. It took me entirely way too much time to actually build and finish, just based on having to also run this business. Well, and we only get time to build in between. So it was very enjoyable. It's not a scary room. It's all supposed to be humorous. It's a little bat speech poster my wife drew up for me. And then if you notice, there's no TV or way to tell time in this room. We decided not to do that. And for any assistance the players require, Dr. Frankenstein communicates with you directly. And we've written that into the story as to how you can hear his magical voice out of nowhere. And he's quite the jerk. He is not a nice doctor. But groups really seem to have fun with it. And I was also surprised at how many groups have told me they like it better without a TV. Takes the stress out of watching the time away. So I'm very thankful for that. Because it was a risk. But anyway, there you go. Operation Brain Dead: Henchman's Tale. A quick little walkthrough. Room number 4 is under construction, and I'll show more of that when there's more to see. So anyway, thanks for watching.